We'll guide you through how to save photos to Google Photos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a good idea to go and do because your photos are then going to go and be in there. And this basically means they're in the cloud storage. So you can go and access them on other devices with that Google account. So you could go onto your computer and go and access them there. And that's going to say you lost this phone or something happened to it. Those photos are going to be saved there and backed up. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So what you want to do is you want to go and find the Google Photos app. So we can go and swipe up, press search at the top, and you want to go and type in photos. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and open up the Play Store and get it if you can't go and find it. But I've gone and got it here. So you can go and find it. I could search if I needed to, but I can see it there. Once you're in here, what you can then do is go to the top right and press your profile icon. You need to go down and go and find the option for photo settings. Now go and find the option for backup at the top here. And what you can do is go and switch this on. Now it's going to go and start saving your photos there. And if you take new photos, they'll be saved there as well. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.